All right, first construction sign, new old stock on that, pretty neat. Diamond yellow road closed sign. Here's a sign that came out of Hammond, Indiana. A bridge clearance sign, but the construction version. New old stock lane control construction sign. Road construction ahead. Here's another road construction 2-line sign. Road closed, local traffic only. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. It's a really thick, just standard road closed sign. All these signs are collapsing on me here. And construction sign, flasher warning light. Here's a plastic construction sign. It's called a night flasher from Los Angeles, California.